So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we started in the last few days. So what we've done on this project so far is brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. Then what we're going to be doing is cut out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, putting a new plinth on the base of the property, some nice new period air vents to finish that off. We are going to be tuck pointing the whole facade, so lots of tuck pointing to do on this project. Then we are taking everything back to natural stone once again, so getting all the old paint off all of the stonework and be stripping that all back, taking it all back to natural stone. Lots of detail to be restored on here, so all of these dog teeth are all going to go back to natural stone. Quite a few indents to do here as well. As you can see, all the bad bricks are going to need cutting out and replacing. New roof going on as well, so new tiled roof, new gutterings going on. Upstairs we're doing the same sort of thing, so once again lots of bricks to cut out. All of the stonework, stripping all of that back now. All of this is going to look amazing once it's all been restored back to bar stone. All of the gable work as well to do. Looking at the window reveals, they're all going to need redoing. Customers had not long had a new roof, so that's all good there as well. So all this flaky paint, we're going to get all of this off, get it all back to that beautiful natural stone. You can see the original stone here underneath, so getting all of this back, hone it all in, get all these profiles lovely and square, all the areas is nice and sharp. More bricks to cut out and replace all in this section here. A lot of tuck pointing, a lot of stonework to be restored on this one, so this project's going to keep us busy for the next 4 to 5 weeks, no doubt. Another tuck pointing and natural stone project underway in Sidcup. Got another one starting. Scaffold's already up in Elton. That's another full natural stone project, and penny roll pointing. So real busy run up now till Christmas. Trying to get all of our customers fitted in before Christmas. Fully booked now till March next year. So really busy times for us. So we'll show you some more progress with this in the next few days, and then take it from there. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.